everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. We're going to start some episodes called Picnic in the Park. So right now we are in the park and I'm going to make today antipasto Italian salad. So let's start. I have my ingredients here. I have a whole lettuce. I have 2 ounces of prosciutto. I have a handful of basil. I have 1 cup of fresh mozzarella, 2 cups of grape tomato, 1 cup of Kalamata olives. Then I'm going to show you how to make the dressing. So I will start by adding my lettuce to the bowl, then the prosciutto and the basil. Then I'm going to add all the other ingredients. I'm going to give it a mix. That's an amazing salad. It's one of my favorites, and it's so nice to eat it on a hot summer day, especially if you have a picnic at the park with your friends and family. Now I'm going to show you the dressing. I will put equal amounts of red wine vinegar. I'll put like a 1/4 cup. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of olive oil. I will add 1 teaspoon of mustard. Then add some salt, some pepper. Then I'm going to shake it all together in the jar. Add the dressing and mix. And here you go, amazing summer antipasto salad. I hope you liked my antipasto salad episode today. I hope you can try it at the picnic with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments below. See you next time.